Hello and welcome to Apartment Cookery. This week we will be making apple crumble, and I feel that most people have all the ingredients to make this recipe. It's basically just flour and some sugar and some apples. The only problem might be the different cooking times. For instance, my oven is an electric oven. If you have a convection oven or a gas oven, it should be a little faster than mine. One important thing would be just to make sure that it's not too watery, and to make sure the apples have cooked down completely. And that should be it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you check out some other videos by Apartment Cookery. We are a new channel and would love you to subscribe. So stay tuned for apple crumble this week on Apartment Cookery.